Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this episode, I will be handling terminologies, common terminologies in Excel. Uh, Excel, we studied Excel. This is the active part of the workbook. So this way you will be working on at a particular time. This is Excel. That's why I'm typing 9. Um, this one, this one here that you can see on top here is the formula bar. Yeah, it shows what is happening in the cell. Then the formula is an equation that helps you to carry out to solve a problem. Like for instance, you can say sum it normally starts with equal signs. So sum C2 3. What I've written here is an equation, is a formula. And the function is the sum here. This is the function. It all is embedded in the formula. So that is function. So there are very many when you're writing functions in models that um so then there's a column. So this is a column. This one here is a column. Uh, this one here is a row. Then there is then there's range. The range is section of 2 or more cells. Like if you're referring to 2 or more cells, that one becomes the range. Then we have the workbook. A workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheets. So like a workbook would contain this is a worksheet. This one here is a worksheet. So in a workbook there is one or more of these ones. So we can add worksheet from here. Let's say if you want new, now we have to can add now this is a workbook. The entire thing is a workbook. Then a worksheet is a single spreadsheet, a workbook containing rows of columns. So this is the worksheet here. It's within the workbook. That's mostly the common terminologies that we use in Excel. So yeah, you got those one, the small one, the format. That is for like if you want to edit the cell, you want to like for instance you want to match this one. Like for match, it helps you to like if you want to match this one, just come here. Now you have to match this one. The margin is like you want to clear those line in the intersection in between each and every cells the worksheet. So that's it. And then the formatting also works the same way. Like here, you can count you can calculate here. For instance, this is the example of 8. If you are the person 101, uh, this is what you have to cut. This is we are creating table. Uh, Guys, basically those are common terminals in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.